So do you also use Wix Forms on your website to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to enroll TagMango user on Wix Form submission. So I am running an online course platform and I have created a registration form using Wix Forms. So now here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new form submission, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be enrolled as a new user in my TagMango account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Wix Forms with my TagMango account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So I run an online course platform and I can set up a Wix form for prospective students to sign up for a new course or coaching program. So when a user submits the form, their details are automatically enrolled into the TagMango platform, giving them instant access to the course materials and automated communication like course reminders and updates. This integration saves me time by automating enrollment and ensures a smooth professional onboarding experience for my students. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Wix form with my TagMango account using an automation software. And now here firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I've already built. So here to see the working of this amazing automation, we are going to make a form submission over here in our Wix Forms. And here my objective is that whenever a new form submission is going to be received, then automatically the person who has made the form submission should be enrolled as a new user in my TagMango account. So here we are going to make a form submission. So here you can see the pre-filled data over here with the first name, last name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says thanks, we received your submission. That means here we have successfully made a form submission. So now let's go and check our TagMango account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully enrolled a new user with the name latest customer. Here you can see the contact number and the email as latest customer 111@pabblytudes.com. And here you can see the mango under which this user has been enrolled. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this automation by simply connecting your Wix form with your TagMango account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box you can see it is asking me to give a name to my workflow. So I'm going to give the name as enroll TagMango user on Wix form submission. And now here after giving a name to my workflow it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's bring up our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Wix Forms, as I'm receiving new form submissions through Wix Forms. So Wix Forms is a tool that lets you easily create online forms for your website like contact forms, surveys or event RSVPs. It's a part of the Wix website builder and does not require any coding skills. So here in my Wix Forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission. So that whenever you're going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Wix Forms with Pabbly Connect. So following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Wix Forms account. So this is my Wix Form account and this is my website, and from here you can see we have received the option for automation here in the left side bar. So I'm going to select it, and here under automations I'm going to create a new automation by clicking on this new automation button given over here. And here under create a new automation, I'm going to select the option of start from scratch. And then here I'm going to give a name to my automation such as new user. And after giving the name, it is asking me to select the trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Wix Forms, as I'm receiving new form submissions through Wix Forms. And here I'm going to select my trigger type as form submitted. And then here it is asking me select which forms triggers this automation. So for that I'm going to select any, and if you want then you can select a specific form also, but here I have a single form, that's why I've selected any. And now here after selecting the form, here it is asking me to limit the frequency to. So here I'm going to select don't limit, scrolling little down, and then here it is asking me to select the action. So here for my action I'm going to select send via webhook so that I can receive a response to my trigger via webhook. And then here after selecting the action, here you can see I have received the option for target URL. So here in this target URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and then here I'm going to select all keys and values, and after that I'm going to click on this activate button given over here. So by clicking on this, we have successfully activated our automation, or you can say we have successfully set up a new webhook in our Wix Forms. So with this, we have successfully connected our Wix Forms with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response in our Wix Forms. So for that, let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it. And from here I'm going to directly take you to my contact form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as customer, email as testcustomer111@pabblytudes.com, and here for the phone number I'm going to enter random phone number, and then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see it says thanks, we received your submission. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the phone number, email address, last name, first name, scrolling little down, and here you can see some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new form submission through our Wix Forms, I want to add the person who has made the form submission as a new user in my TagMango account. So for that, I need to connect my TagMango with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as TagMango. So TagMango is a platform that helps creators and influencers monetize their content by offering subscriptions, workshops, and exclusive access to their audience. It's like a one-stop shop for turning your passion into income. So here in my TagMango action step, I'm going to select my action event as migrate user, so that whenever you're going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be enrolled as a new user in our TagMango account. And now here to connect my TagMango with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. forward. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your TagMango account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So I'm following the instructions given below. Here I've already logged in my TagMango account, and from here I'm going to click on this automation given the left side bar. And here in the automation you can see we have received the option for platform integrations, and here under platform integration you can see we have received the API key for Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the API key. Now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the name, phone number, email address and some other details as well. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, and then I'm going to make a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Moving forward, here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number, and here for the email address, I'm going to map the email address, and then here it is asking me to enter the Mango ID. So here in the help text it says enter the Mango ID. Here you can get the Mango ID by logging into the TagMango dashboard, Mango's Mango ID. So here to get this Mango ID, let me take you back to my TagMango account, and from here I'm going to click on this Mangoes given the left side bar, and here under Mangoes, I'm going to search for my Mango which is named as Basics of PHP. So I've already created a Mango with the name Basics of PHP, and I want to enroll a new user under this particular Mango. So I'm going to copy this Mango ID from here, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and I'm going to paste it over here. Now here after entering the Mango ID, it is asking me to enter the coupon. So here to get this coupon, let me take you back to my TagMango account, and from here I'm going to click on this marketing given the left side bar, and here under marketing you can see we have received the option for coupons. So I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to remove this filter from here, and here you can see the coupon that I've already created for my Mango, that is Basics of PHP. So I'm going to copy this coupon code, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the coupon. And now here after entering the coupon, it is asking me to enter the affiliate, custom selling price and the custom currency. So here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully enrolled a new user in our TagMango account for the new form submission received through our Wix Forms. So now let's go back to our TagMango account, and from here I'm going to click on this customers. And here under customer you can see we have successfully enrolled a new user with the name test customer. Here you can see the contact number and the email as testcustomer111@pabblytudes.com, and here you can see the Mango under which the user has been enrolled, that is Basics of PHP, and with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Wix Forms and our action as TagMango, so that whenever we're going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to be enrolled as a new user in our TagMango account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to enroll TagMango user on Wix Form submission. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.